Effective requirements gathering is the cornerstone of any successful project. It involves understanding the needs, preferences, and expectations of stakeholders. Today, we'll delve into the 10 essential techniques that can help you master this crucial process. Stakeholder interviews. Stakeholder interviews provide invaluable insights into the project's needs and expectations. By scheduling one-on-one or group sessions, you can engage stakeholders directly. Prepare open-ended questions to encourage them to share their perspectives freely. Take thorough notes and follow up with additional questions as needed. Afterwards, summarize key insights and validate understanding with stakeholders, ensuring alignment as you move forward. Surveys and questionnaires. Surveys and questionnaires allow you to gather feedback from a broad audience. Designing surveys with clear objectives and distributing them via online platforms ensures widespread participation. Analyze the responses carefully to identify trends and priorities. Share the results transparently with stakeholders and use the data to inform decision-making. By iterating on survey design based on feedback, you can continuously improve the effectiveness of your data collection efforts. Brainstorming sessions. Brainstorming sessions are creative forums where diverse perspectives come together to generate ideas. Setting clear objectives and creating a supportive environment are key to fostering innovation. Encourage participants to think creatively and capture all ideas for consideration. By prioritizing and refining ideas collaboratively, you can identify innovative solutions that meet stakeholder needs effectively. Document analysis. Document analysis provides valuable insights into the project's context and objectives. By reviewing existing documentation thoroughly, you can identify key stakeholders and understand their roles and responsibilities. Analyze the documentation for completeness and consistency, noting any gaps or inconsistencies. Share your findings with stakeholders for validation and use them to inform the development of new requirements. By updating documentation as needed, you ensure that requirements are accurately captured and reflected in the project's documentation. Observation and job shadowing. Observation and job shadowing provide first-hand insights into stakeholders' daily tasks and challenges. By scheduling observation sessions and participating in job shadowing experiences, you can gain a deeper understanding of their workflows and pain points. Take thorough notes and engage stakeholders in conversations to clarify your observations. Use the data gathered to inform the development of user-centric requirements, ensuring that the final solution meets stakeholders' needs effectively. Prototyping and mockups. Prototyping and mockups offer tangible representations of the proposed solution, allowing stakeholders to visualize and interact with the product before it's built. By developing prototypes early in the requirements gathering process, you can solicit feedback, validate assumptions, and iterate on design concepts iteratively. Visual aids help stakeholders understand complex ideas more easily, fostering productive discussions and driving consensus on requirements. Workshops and focus groups. Workshops and focus groups provide structured environments for engaging stakeholders in in-depth discussions on specific topics or areas of interest. By planning and facilitating workshops with clear objectives and agendas, you can ensure that participants stay focused and productive. Use structured activities and visual aids to capture ideas and insights collaboratively, and encourage participation from all attendees. By summarizing key takeaways and action items at the end of each session, you can ensure that the outcomes of the workshops are documented and actionable. Use cases and user stories. Use cases and user stories provide narrative descriptions of specific interactions or scenarios from the user's perspective. By identifying key user roles and developing use cases or user stories, you can ensure that requirements are aligned with user needs and goals. Validate use cases and user stories with stakeholders to ensure accuracy and completeness, and prioritize them based on their importance and impact on the project. By using use cases and user stories as a tool for communication and alignment among project stakeholders, you can ensure that everyone is on the same page throughout the project lifecycle. Requirement workshops. Requirement workshops bring together cross-functional teams to elicit, prioritize, and validate requirements collaboratively. By planning and organizing workshops with clear objectives and outcomes, you can ensure that participants stay focused and productive. Use facilitated techniques such as requirements prioritization and impact mapping to streamline the requirements gathering process and allocate sufficient time for discussion and collaboration. By capturing requirements and insights using visual aids and facilitating open communication, you can ensure that all perspectives are heard and considered. Validate requirements with stakeholders to ensure alignment and agreement, and document workshop outcomes for future reference and follow-up. Feedback and iteration. Soliciting feedback from stakeholders throughout the requirements gathering process is essential for ensuring that requirements accurately reflect their needs and preferences. By creating opportunities for stakeholders to review and provide input on requirements documentation, you can gather valuable insights and perspectives. Use feedback to iterate on requirements and refine them based on stakeholder input, and communicate changes and updates in a timely and transparent manner. By maintaining open lines of communication and encouraging ongoing collaboration, you can address evolving needs and concerns and ensure that requirements remain aligned with stakeholder expectations. Mastering these techniques is essential for gathering requirements effectively and ensuring that the final solution meets stakeholder needs, aligns with project objectives, and delivers value to the organization. By employing a combination of these techniques tailored to the unique context of your project, you can navigate the complexities of requirements gathering with confidence and clarity, setting the stage for project success. Enjoyed the insights? Like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.